What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Gala games. Currently sitting at 0.019, up 1% on the day. See a market cap of 129 million. 24-hour volume 56.08 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses or Bybit up to $30,000 in bonuses. This is where I do my investing and my trading. After you sign up, which takes 2 minutes, you can email me your sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Let's look at Gala games. So we pushed right up into our target zone from the previous video, completing a wave C in my opinion. So you have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and we have an ending diagonal wave 4. Drop this in quickly. We also have a nice rising wedge with bearish divergences. So what I'm looking at here is this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of an ending diagonal to complete the wave 5, to complete the wave B of the larger ending diagonal, and looking to come down in the wave C of the wave 3. We have a bearish divergence on the hourly, creating lower highs as well as monies flowing out. 4-hour time frame, we're creating higher highs, a little bit of a lower high on the RSI, and we have this small rising wedge. So a couple signals that we could turn around from this point. If we were to just continue to break out to the upside, then potentially I'd be looking at this wave B not being complete yet. But as of right now, we do have some signals that price could turn around. However, we have started to break back above this resistance. You can see we had a lot of resistance in this level. As you can see, we broke back above it. We're holding as support. We're getting back above the EMAs on the 4-hour. So if that support holds and we see continuation, obviously you need to see continuation for BTC and ETH, which is a little bit uncertain at the moment. Then you could see a push, continue to push to the upside, and you'd look for resistance right here, in my opinion, right around 0.020. But as of right now, we pushed up into the resistance of the falling wedge, the falling channel. We've completed a 5-way move into a C. We have bearish divergences. We have a small rising wedge. So there is definitely an opportunity, definitely a bit of a higher probability that we do see a bit of breakdown here, but we'll have to see how it plays out. I went over Ethereum and Bitcoin in my video. I'll do a video on Bitcoin today as well. And there is an opportunity for BTC to push a bit higher, but it could turn around at any time. So just be very, very cautious if you're trading. If you're trading Gala, it can be very volatile. But yeah, I'm looking for that wave C down in the wave 3. As I mentioned, if we were to break out and see continuation to the upside, then that 5-way move just isn't complete yet in your wave B. But we've done everything we need to see continuation to the downside. We have divergences at resistance, so we'll see how that plays out. All right, gang. I think that's it for this little update on the daily time frame. Extremely oversold. As I mentioned, I said strong likelihood of a bounce, and that's exactly what we've seen here. So we've come back up to retest the 20 EMA, which we mentioned in the previous video, which can act as major resistance, just as it did right here. We got a rejection. We saw continuation to the downside. So do watch for that. I still think I still think Gala is going to put in a wave 3, followed by wave 4 and a final wave 5 to take you down to about 0.010, 0.011. So Gala would come down and basically create a lower low and potentially find a bottom in the spring around March, April 2023, in my opinion. But I could be wrong, and this could be the bottom. I don't think it's a more probable scenario. We'll have to see how everything plays out. That's pretty much it for this update. We could definitely see rejection. There are signs of that, but right now, in my opinion, Bitcoin could go either way. And of course, Gala will follow suit, but we do have these divergences with resistance, and we've completed the 5-way move into the C. So there is some confluence here that we could see continuation to the downside. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to either Bickit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Takes 1 minute, probably less, 30 seconds to sign up. Email me your sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays for 10 bucks a month. All links in the comments, in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.